So I guess he's watching it.
Granddad's going to get some carriages now.
Oh.
Billy, are you coming to watch Scotsman?
A signal, look.
Granddad's going to put some carriages on. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. Lift your next slippers. Come and sit up here.
Here comes Billy. Here comes Billy.
And your fingers, Pocket. Oh, Granddad's going to join them all.
Oh, look.
Yeah, there's a signal there, yes. Were you looking at the signals today? Were you? Were they yellow signals?
Yeah.
Could the train, when it was red, what did the train do? Red signals. When it was a red signal, did the train have to stop?
You want to go off? Go around here. Come round there.
Careful, Rio.
Come nearer. Gently, slowly.
It's a little car, isn't it? That's a level crossing. Oh,
Don't let him get it, Mum. Mum, watch Takeshi's hand. He's gonna get it.
is the signal making it stop?
Have Newcastle draw?
Yeah, at the moment, yeah.
It's just
And the
amazing.
fire next to
Has it stopped? Well, Rio's doing it. Rio's working.
He said in the car, they were saying this is going to be embarrassing. This is going to be a football, cricket score.
it. You said it. Darren said, well, they're not going to score without a striker now, are they? Look at him.
Well, the sun went off at half time.
Are you driving now, Rio?
Yeah, some winning, yeah.
Mind your head.